Hello everybody, welcome to Nurses Ladder. In this video, I'm going to talk about a special program which is launched by Government of India, that is Mission Indradhanush. So let us start the video. Before going into Mission Indradhanush, we should know about the history of this particular program. So if you see the history of Mission Indradhanush, it starts with EPI, that is Expanded Program of Immunization. Expanded Program of Immunization was started in 1978 by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. And after that, this program was upgraded to Universal Immunization Program. In short, we call it as UIP in 1985. This program was launched to cover immunization schedule in all the districts of India from a time period of 1980 to 1990. And based on this program, Government of India has specifically provided immunization and vaccinations free of cost for varieties of disease conditions which are prevented by vaccinations. So let's see what are all those disease conditions which could be vaccinated. First one is DPT. DPT is diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. Second is oral polio, measles, tuberculosis, hepatitis B, Haemophilus influenzae, meningitis, Japanese encephalitis, which is for children as well as adults. Then IPV, that is polio vaccine, which is administered through injection. Then pneumonia vaccine, vaccine for rotavirus. Then pneumococcal conjugate vaccine. All of these vaccines are available in different vaccination centers all over India, and all of these vaccines have been distributed or given to particular group of children as well as pregnant women free of cost by Government of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. This is under UIP. So based on this program, which was conducted between 1980 to 1990, Government of India was able to fully immunize 65% of children. 65% of children were fully immunized. After that, later, Government of India again launched another particular specific mission or health program for immunization, and that is referred to as Mission Indradhanush. And Mission Indradhanush was launched in December 2014. Let's see what are the goals or aims of Mission Indradhanush. If you see the aim of Mission Indradhanush, its main aim is to achieve full coverage of immunization for children, specifically less than 2 years of age, as well as for pregnant women. According to this program, 4 phases of immunization rounds were conducted between this time period, that is from 2014 to August 2017. After that, later the findings revealed that about 2.53 crore of children and 68 lakhs of pregnant women were vaccinated using Mission Indradhanush. Under Mission Indradhanush, another program was again launched, that is Intensified Mission Indradhanush. Intensified Mission Indradhanush was launched on 8th October 2017, and the aim of this particular project was to achieve 90% of immunization of all children and pregnant women by December 2018. The children which here I denoted were those children under 2 years of age. Now let's see the main target population of this particular program. The main population included children who were left uncovered on the previous mission, then unserved and low coverage subcenters as well as urban slums, then migrant population. 4 consecutive rounds of immunization were carried out from October 2017 to January 2018, and this particular program was carried out in 24 states of India. The latest program which is included in Mission Indradhanush is Intensified Mission Indradhanush 2.0. So according to this program, this is mainly focusing on reaching the unreached. That means starting from EPI. After that there was Universal Immunization Program, again Mission Indradhanush, then again Intensified Mission Indradhanush till 2.0. So all of these programs were completed, and there were many populations who were left unserved by vaccinations. So all of these target populations were included, and mission was mainly focused on reaching all of these populations. And this program was conducted from December 2019 to March 2020. So this program is now over. According to this program, the main target of this program is 90% immunization cover for all of the children who are under 2 years of age as well as pregnant women. 272 districts, 27 states and blocks of UP and Bihar were included in this particular program. The main aim or motto of this program is to reduce under-5 mortality, thereby achieving Sustainable Development Goal by 2030. There were 4 rounds, that is consecutive, continuous 4 rounds of immunization for 7 days among those people, those children and pregnant women who were left out, drop out, resistant families as well as underserved and tribal groups. This program mainly focused on inter-ministerial and interdepartmental coordination as well as achievement of commitment among political, financial and administration departments. This program were conducted in almost all 27 states of India from December 2019 to March 2020. So, my dear friends, this is all about Mission Indradhanush. I hope you have got a very good idea about the whole program. My channel is based on nursing videos which are related to upgradation of knowledge, thereby improvement of career ladder for all nurses all over the globe. This channel is specially dedicated to student nurses, staff nurses as well as all those candidates who are aspiring to get a nursing career. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Press the like button if you liked it, and this can be shared to all those candidates who want to compete in any of the nursing competitive exams as well as medical competitive exams. Thank you very much. Take care and bye.